So today I'm here with Lee from Vogue Auto Design, and this is your BMW Z4 GT3, and you're saying it's an authentic kit you've put on there.
Yeah.
And that's actual carbon fibre underneath that wrap as well, isn't it?
Genuine carbon fibre.
And you've had this car for 5 years, and you've been talking about doing a feature on it since then. And you even sent me a picture of the kit on the floor, not on the car. There's loads of little things on this car, isn't there, that you've done?
Yep.
So it started life with a 2.8 in there, but you can't fit that bonnet.
If you fit, you can fit the bonnet, but you have to modify, or heavily modify, as in completely take out the outtake vents on the front.
So to get around that, you thought to yourself, I'll just stick a LS3 in it. Is that right?
Yeah, pretty much.
You put a crate motor in there.
Yep.
And what have you done to that?
So it's a crate LS3 standalone ECU, and it's been remapped.
And
so it's around about 480 horsepower.
And I did mention it earlier. So the kit, the whole underneath that, you pull that wrap off. It's all carbon.
It's all carbon fibre. This is a genuine, authentic BMW Motorsport kit.
So quite a bit of money.
Lots of money.
Lots of money. One thing you cannot ignore is that rear wing.
Yep.
So you say you made that.
This is, yes, obviously made the wing. The uprights are genuine BMW Motorsport, but we made the two blades that sit on the top. This is off there's two generations. This is the first generation GT3, but this has the generation 2 GT3 rear wing setup. Suspension is custom Bilstein, coilover front and coilover rear that was built specifically for this car.
Right, wheels, you're running a different set each side, aren't you? Why was that? Just crazy
ideas we had a few years ago. It seemed to take off in the States, and yeah, bit of a mistake. Fitment is 10.5 19 on the front and 13.5 19 on the rear.
No, Amy. And now I've just spotted out the corner of my eye, you've got AP racing brakes.
AP racing brakes on the front.
On the inside, you got a set of...
Inside, we've kept it minimal, to be honest. We've gone for little details of carbon fibre steering wheel, and Sparco race seats.
You used this quite a lot, didn't you, on the road?
Oh God, yeah. Yeah. It was my daily for a while. So especially when the weather's nice. But yeah, it gets used and it gets abused.
And you've moved on now to other projects. In fact, a couple of weeks ago, we put out a video of your Porsche.
Yep.
That's mental. We put a description to that up there, so if you want to go and watch that video on that car, which is crazy, so go and do that. Rewind a little bit, but why did you do it?
I just think the BMW Z4 GT3, I think, is just one of the most beautiful looking GT3 cars that's ever been produced, and yeah, it got under my skin a little bit, and I just wanted one for the road.
And there's not another one in the UK?
There is not another GT3 in the UK. This is the only one.
Well, and in the world, there's not another GT3 BMW Z4 with a LS in it.
Not as far as I'm aware. There's one in Sweden with the S65, but we went the LS route.
Okay, so there you go. So that's like a one-off amazing car.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, if you want to see more crazy cars like this LS-powered GT3 BMW Z4, get yourself to the German Car Festival on the 5th of October. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, to like, subscribe and share, and we'll catch you in the next one.